Incheno morisi atini korinyeni onye kware gwanta kongo mogati nyo mogati oyo nywere chaye eyo ebe endubi incheno mogeni tindi korisosa onye kware gwanta kongo mabere Diamavera yo nywero bokima obokima obokima bobori obokima no bwa o nangini chionsi obokima no bwa o nangini chionsi onye amabere ndiere suguma obokima no bwa o nangini chionsi Obokimano bwao nangini chonsi onge amabere nchendere suguma. Welcome to Culture Bank. My name is Mangi and this Ekegusii abantu bonse bamwanya getinge no bagotoka sayayiga bagosoma Ekegusii. So please, if you've been following me from the beginning, I think it's about time. I just request you share with your friends, share with your family, share with your enemies. So share with your friends, share with everyone, and we shall keep learning. If you see us of one. A friend no mosani. Tario mosani obuete yesu tario kegima nande omovisa koroku saitan. Omovisa is an enemy and of course obviously making saitan ko omovisa wabantu bonsi pi abaribare abegin I believe one of my favorite songs says that Inchwabegeni anwa abamwabuire inchwo bolo inchwo aiga Bethlehem chwo tomosasi moiborwe omotoria Inchwotomosasime, 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 Omo nene, Terra Malaika. We are studying about colors, Nechi. Rangi chonsi Ekegusii Abantu bonsi Intwo bonoto some. I get the lyrics as Maangi Panambele. In this episode we're looking about colors Ekegusii. Maite umuntu bwate envy tote banganika bwate inde Emwamu. Umuntu what okay, let me first say this. Umuntu aronde betinga Endabu ire binyorogoeta nembe era ito umuntu. I don't know why that person told me that. But mbuya to arengereri igora mangana abantu bako bateri. Unajua an idiot may tell you something but you will believe him because he's an idiot, but an idiot also sees what he's doing. That reminds me, while I was in high school, okay, uko form one of my desk mates alikuwa anapenda kulala class. Mimi nikilala ananiamsha. But Maangi, you have a very big future coming up for, so you need to be very much awake so that you can continue with your revision for the next forthcoming papers. And here I am some years later because my desk mate anapenda kulala class anambianga ni amkange. Naona ri chari kwa gento tegerera. Gento nkirie kire kive buneke genga. Kego tarokere asko so anasema hivyo. Gento nkirie kive nseye uno muntu manyete nga na manyete. Yaani mtu mwenye anajua tia anajua na anajua anajua. So you ain't gonna tell me nothing or unanapera. I take my notebook, ngoyere kitabu kiana tuka notebook. Naangalia title imeandikwa colors. Amretavo Ekegusii. On black. I said in the Emwamu, you have a black stomach. You're black stomach head. Yes. Nilipenda kuna sema dhaningi stomach cake inapronouncewa kama stomach cake. White ni Endabu. Red Embari. Green Machani. Brown Maraba. Yellow haiku, but so I gave it a name. Erangi ritobu. Blue Erangi Eriova is the sky. On young man saw me again to types of children the water Ekegusii. One of the word Avana Abaigwe. Mpako musiotera abana moigwere buna Samueli akeigwera eriogirio moreno ye abana moigwere buna Samueli akeigwera eriogirio moreno ye haleluya tomenye igoro mocha igoro abona tomenye na malaika bare igoro haleluya tomenye igoro mocha igoro abona tomenye na malaika bare igoro. Abana isi orori maro abana bagochando muibodi pako muibodi unasikia kama I will disown you young boy. Ntapata abana abaya like this guy. Abana makombe bona abana wait let me start there. Ekegusii omonto omuriri nabwata marieta Maangi mono. You will not want to be a stupid person in Ekegusii. Kwanza ukwe an e-student nasikia ese embe etwe erutwe engoro endambe etwererwe tinacherewe ebwe zote za e-student ambo ese embe yaninga ese embe etwe erutwe engoro endambe etwererwe etinacherewe ebwe. The e-student you want to be an e-student in Ekegusii. Kera Ekegusii wants pina bantaba ngai. And that's how abantu batangena so ngai ni Ekegusii na Ekegusii. Ekegusii na bantaba ngai ni mono abande bagotubwa. Yonye kuromo gutera isikari kwa ni abantu babatebinga. Asense bantaba ngai ni babere mutangani Maangi yo kabere no Ekegusii. Ande to komento yo gatato no Ekegusii omogima. On. A stupid person who is also called an idiot, who is also called an imbecile, who is also called a fool, has the following names in Ekegusii. Richara, Richagara, Rikobo, Rikunyat, Riaga, Ribwege, Mwana Makombe. Richara, Richagara, Rikobo, Rikunyat, Ribwege, Riaga, Mwana Amakombe. And there are very many other names referring to a stupid imbecilic idiot with foolish characteristics. You would not want to be an idiot in Ekegusii. And nobody nobody is stupidity, foolishness. Don't want to go mwana omoriri. You cannot blame children. Okay, we cannot say children of the present day are not obedient. If you're not telling them anything, watakere kuigwera. Kera abaibori mbaro, wate bibura abaibori bande ngabana ba 21st century, bari gotegerera kende. Go read Deuteronomy 6 verse 7. Acha kusamia mtoto ayemotevi. In a previous episode we said that onye tonku rete kero kwa rocha mangana yako genda bobe. I think I'm correcting ekera nili mispronounce it kwa roche. It's ekero kwa roche. Ekero kwa roche ni makaribia lakini kero kwa roche ni mbali kidogo. Yani onye tonku rete kero kwa rocha mangana yako genda bobe. Tonkurera nane tonkwanera ekero atire bobe. If you did not forewarn me when you saw things going wrong, do keep quiet the same way you kept quiet when things go wrong, when they actually do go wrong. You cannot say children are not obedient if you're not telling them anything to obey ayabatevi, so that akikataa kusikiliza ni shida yake. Ili ndio msongo teranga Train up a child in the way he should go, and he will not depart from it. And if he does depart from it, he will find it again when he is grown. Tiangiro chikara chonsi cheke gusi na ndemba teverani letaita ya vanatu vate gusi omweyo naro koruku mwa avane michando bosa avana makombe unajua you can be an E student but well behaved. Avane michando bosa unajua like michando like it's an E student lakini ni michando. Yani tarikuwe tamatemu nandi tabwati imbwingi ere n'emichando busa. Likunyati colors black ni Emwamu, white Endabu, red Embariri, green Machani, brown Maraba, yellow rangi ritobu, blue Erangi, Yeanga. My name is Maangi, and this has been Culture Bank Ekegusii with this guy. I really hope you've learned something new, and if in case you didn't, please, I hope this song teaches you something that will go out with. Kerabatore bagosoa omonene nimbe oyomobo. Kerabatore bagosoa bagosoa omonene nimbe oyomobo. Kerabatore bagosoa kubagotera hallelujah omonene nimbe oyomobo. Kerabagotera hallelujah. Sing you. See you in the next episode. Bye bye. See you next week. Get out of this cocoon of thought. Get out of this thought where we all think that the best thing we can do is get to school, fungua vitabu, soma, and then at the end of the day, ulale wamke asubuhi, to repeat that very same routine. Get out of that thought. Think of a life where you will need to use your brain to think and not use your books to think. Think of the life when you will actually need the skills that you have in need to do work, and not what you can actually learn from any institution. The men of old were not as sophisticated as we are, but they managed to do everything they needed to. But this is one thing that it takes me off thoughts when I'm thinking about the men of old. This is culture bank with Maangi, and many people will be thinking, why don't you do things the way people do? Because culture is actually meant to remind us where we came from and how much we can do if we don't forget where we ourselves came from. So get out of that thought. Get out of the thought of doing things the very same way from time to time. Get out of that thought. Get out of the thought where you want to accomplish, where you expect different results by doing things in the very similar manner. Come on guys, those who are in campus, think big. Think beyond the 3 months that you're supposed to be doing tuition. Think beyond the 4 years that you will be doing in school study. Are you thinking that you will be graduating and then the best thing you will do about your degree, Dr. Kazitan? Think while you're in campus, what can you do while you're a student to grow your brand so that by the time you graduate, you're doing something that goes either hand in hand with what you're studying, or something that can give you money and does not in any way affect what you came to do in campus. Sisemi watu wacha kusoma, that will be very wrong. But what I'm trying to say is, hata wakati unasoma, think outside the box. Just think about it. This is Culture Bank with Maangi, and I do not want us to lose track of what we are doing. So today, I want us to talk about a little Maasai coming right up.